You didn't start it? Is it going now?
Now it's good.
Okay, back up a little bit so you can get all of us in. All right, since you didn't do it, just start talking.
Okay, 1965 Fastback, welding on the quarter for the first time, or first and only time. It's all lined up. Done on and off several times, fixing the wheel housing, getting the adjustment and everything lined up with the trunk and panels and with the glass in and with that. Now finally welding it in. Gonna weld down both quarters.
Well, they won't all be welded in. I mean,
We're welding all the tops in.
yeah, we're just getting the top part right now. But this is a big day. All these things are
Long
it's
time
going
in the
together.
making.
You know, it's all this new metal, but it's, you know, Steve, he wanted, is that camera got us all? Okay. He wanted, the guy filming, my buddy, he wanted to put skins on. I said, no. So it's a long process. So we finally got to the right point where it got full quarters. And there's a lot less welding on full quarters than the skin. So, but it needed everything. I mean, you can show the parts of the metal and stuff while I'm welding. I'm just talking through it.
Yeah, so got the whole car so it's screwed in, clamped in. I'm gonna get it all together, all brand new metal, brand new floor, brand new firewall, rear valance or taillight panel, still needs to be welded on. New trunk floor.
But this is better than the factory though, Steve.
Yeah, we're putting more welds in the factory and it's probably better metal too. Well, we'll keep you up to date, folks.